Hi there, my name is Samantha Santana and today I want to show you how to install my peel and stick wallpaper. So this is the wallpaper that I am installing today. For this tutorial, it is also going to be used as a backdrop for my studio mate Christy's art show. Let's get to it. Let me show you something really quick. So the wallpaper I sell in 2x4 foot rolls and 2x8 foot rolls. So on each wallpaper roll, I've added a 1/4 inch on the left-hand side and also on the top. The reason being is I want you to have the easiest time possible installing it and matching up the repeat. So you see, a lot of times when you see wallpaper, you see a seam. We don't want to see that. That doesn't look good. So with the extra 1/4 inch on the edge, I've created a kind of double, a repeat. You see that? See how it looks like you're seeing double? That's done for a reason. That's done so that you can lay the left-hand wallpaper over the right-hand wallpaper. Okay, and then you just kind of move it around until it matches. Almost there. Okay, see that? And then from a distance, you don't even see the seam at all. Okay, so for this project, you're gonna need a step stool and a friend. It's a 2-person job. So we're gonna start. To do this, you're actually gonna pull the backing off the giant sticker from the top, not the bottom. This is why you need a friend. You pull it and I'll hold it. And this stuff's really tacky. You can touch it and it's not gonna affect the tackiness. Okay, cool. Thanks. So let's stop there. So you only do, that's about 1.5 foot. You're gonna put it where the walls, you do it right up to the corner, but for our cases, we're just doing it to where we measured it. Christy, can you check the other side? Okay. So once you find your space, you're just gonna go ahead and press it against. Okay, so we got our first part down. This is the fun part. Now I'm just gonna start pulling the backing down. And we'll smooth it on as we go. Now that you've seen how to install the wallpaper, get to it, order it, and get ready to put it in your home. If you need help figuring out the square footage of your space, your wall, your office, your cabinet, your drawers, shoot me an email at hello@samanthasantanacreative.com. You can do this, I promise you. It's really easy, just make sure to have a friend and have fun.